Audi's new RS5 arrives. A high-tech hybrid powerhouse for the performance segment, Audi is set to shake up the premium performance market in Australia with the arrival of the 2026 RS5. Replacing the outgoing RS4 Avant and RS5 Sportback, this new generation represents a significant shift in Audi Sport's philosophy. The transition from pure internal combustion to sophisticated plug-in hybrid (PHEV) technology, scheduled to hit Australian showrooms in the second half of 2026, the RS5 arrives with a competitive pricing strategy designed to undercut its primary German rivals. Competitive pricing and market positioning, the new RS5 range is positioned to offer more bang for your buck compared to its direct competitors. By leveraging hybrid technology, Audi is able to offer high output while maintaining a price point that challenges the established hierarchy. Audi RS5 Sedan, $179,900 plus on-road costs. Audi RS5 Avant, $182,900 plus on-road costs. How it compares? The RS5 sedan undercuts the Mercedes-AMG C63, $195,300, which, despite being a PHEV, utilizes a smaller two-cylinder engine setup. It also sits below the entry-level BMW M3, $186,900, offering a hybrid powertrain where the BMW relies on a traditional six-cylinder engine. Performance: more power, more weight. The heart of the RS5 is an overhauled 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6. By integrating a PHEV system, Audi has achieved a massive leap in performance metrics. The total output has surged by 139 kW and 225 Nm, resulting in a formidable 470 kW and 825 Nm. However, this power comes with a physical trade-off. The addition of hybrid batteries and electric motors has significantly increased the vehicle's mass. RS5 Sedan, liftback, 2,355 kg, RS5 Avant, 2,370 kg. For context, these figures represent a substantial increase from the previous generation, which weighed between 1,835 kg and 1,895 kg. This highlights a broader trend in the automotive industry. As manufacturers move toward electrification to meet emissions standards, managing the increased weight of batteries becomes the primary engineering challenge. Advanced handling and engineering to combat the increased weight, Audi has equipped the RS5 with cutting-edge chassis technology. The vehicle features a 5-link suspension system with adaptive damping and a sport differential. A standout feature is the dynamic torque control. This system utilizes a small 8 kW/40 Nm electric motor on the rear differential, capable of transferring up to 2,000 Nm of torque to the wheels in just 15 milliseconds. This rapid response is designed to minimize understeer and allow drivers to deploy power more aggressively on corner exits. Design and interior luxury. Visually, the RS5 is much more aggressive than the standard A5 or S5 models. It features wider stance. The car is 90 mm wider than the A5 and 77 mm broader than the previous RS4. Distinctive styling: blistered wheel arches, 21-inch forged alloy wheels, and matrix LED headlights. Premium cabin. The interior is a high-tech sanctuary featuring an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit plus, a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a Bang & Amp Olufsen 3D sound system. Comfort features: RS Sport seats equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, alongside a panoramic glass roof with switchable transparency. Safety and warranty. While the RS5 has not yet undergone official Euro NCAP or ANCAP testing, its foundation, the Audi A5, holds a 5-star safety rating. Standard safety tech includes autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a surround view camera. Audi provides peace of mind through a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty, supplemented by an 8-year/160,000 km warranty on the battery. Summary: the 2026 Audi RS5 marks a turning point for Audi Sport, trading pure lightweight agility for massive hybrid power and advanced torque management. all while maintaining a price advantage over BMW and Mercedes-AMG.